Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these bone conduction sports headphones. So these feature an IP6 or 7 waterproof level. I thought it was IPX8. Anyways, IPX8 is basically you can swim underwater with it. So what's in the box? It's one headphones, user manual, earplugs, and USB-C charging cable. Okay, I'm trying to slide this out of here, but it's giving me a little bit of trouble here. There we go. All right, and these are RR Sports. All right, these are all black in color. Looks pretty nice. It's nice and smooth. Let's see how comfortable they are over the ears. So those basically just go right over your ears like that, and those go right on the bone right here in front of your ears. And then I don't know if you like wear some headsets or something and they can be a little uncomfortable in your ears for a long time. I do have some Samsung Galaxy or Samsung earbuds or whatever they're called, and after a while they get a little bit uncomfortable in the ears. So these also, you can do it for like running, jogging, and stuff like that. They're not going to come off. They're super lightweight. You don't feel like they're going to fall off or anything, and it's like it doesn't like press like super hard on your ear or on the bone right here. So there's that. We have a little user manual here, how to connect it. We'll be showing you how to do that to connect to the Bluetooth. And then it has a little accessory box in here as well. What do we got? What do we got? Come out of there. Doesn't want to come out of the box. Okay, so we have some earplugs and then a USB to USB-C charging cable for these. So if you do want them, these also allow you to be able to listen with your ears also. So these don't just plug your ears. The bone conduction, it just uses your whole like skull basically as a speaker, kind of the vibrations. And so if you want it to cancel out background noise, you'd have to use like earplugs or something like that. But a nice thing about these two is that they don't cancel out noise. So if you do want to be able to listen to music and stuff, but also want to be able to hear what's going on around you, then these ones work nicely. So we're going to show you how to set this up with the Bluetooth and test them out and see what I think. Hey friends, so in order to just pair this with your phone, hold down this negative button there. You got a little light that starts flashing on the side, blue and red. And then you just look up B106 on your Bluetooth just to turn it on, discover it, shows right up. Connection, no problem. And then just start jamming some tunes. So I have some Amazon music playing here. And so these are pretty comfortable. Oops, gotta turn it down a little bit. The fit is quite comfortable actually. Not feeling like it's going to come off there either. Whether you're running or jogging or anything, just shaking your head. It's not heavy enough where it really can overcome the pressure here. So it has a little bit of pressure here that holds it on the bones here of your jaw. Just like that. Turn it up a little bit. So it's plenty loud. That's at full volume right there. And I don't know if you guys can hear it or not a little bit. But definitely loud enough to where you can hear it over other noise, and you can wear the earplugs if you want to be able to hear it better if there's background noise or whatever. But I just like the fact that you can hear the music and you can hear like someone else talking if you wanted to. Other with like some others, like especially like noise canceling ones and things like that, it's more difficult for to hear people for the ones that fit right in your ear. And I think these ones are probably a little bit more comfortable. I've worn, I think I said the Galaxy Buds before for a long period of time, and they do kind of hurt my ears a little bit, and maybe that's just me. These feel like they'll be comfortable for quite a while and not really cause any issues. Yeah, and they're basically IPX, I think 9 rating, which is pretty much to just take them underwater with you and they'll be good. They're like hermetically sealed, all the electronics or whatever, so nothing's gonna get in there and hurt it. But definitely some good sound quality. And if I turn this up, the bass is actually like really feel the bass on this thing. So it does have a couple buttons on there. You can switch between calls, accept a call, hang up a call, hold it down for like 3 seconds, get Siri, all the normal features on there, and that's just in the instruction manual how to do all that thing. It's pretty easy, like skip a song forward, skip back. Bluetooth connection was right away, so not an issue with that at all. It was just like super quick. Yeah, decent quality. I don't hear any like static or anything like that. It's just like a nice good quality songs, you know, and once it has some decent bass as well. If I turn up all the way, it's just like you can actually kind of like feel it like on your on your jaw bones there. But yeah, I kind of like these like bone conduction ones as opposed to just the inner ear ones. They're comfortable and just some nice benefits there. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.